Wehr's family tree starts with the legendary Charles Whitnell. As the secretary of the Milwaukee County Parks Commission, Whitnell worked to secure the land that is now Whitnell Park. He dreamed of a park where citizens could enjoy all kinds of outdoor recreation, including a place for quiet study and enjoyment of nature. County landscape architect Alfred Berner developed a plan, and workers from the Civilian Conservation Corps worked during the 1930s to develop Wehr's lake and waterfall, and they even built the stone wall that eventually became our amphitheater. Even in those days, the landscape of Wehr was enchanting, and it cast a spell over two young CCC workers, John Voigt and John Doyne. Their love for this space and their belief in Whitnell's dream stuck with them for 30 years. In the 1960s, now Whitnell Superintendent Voigt and Milwaukee County Executive John Doyne worked to plan and raise funds for a nature center. In 1970, Doyne secured $200,000 from the Todd Wehr Foundation and matching funds from the state and federal governments. County Exec John Doyne dedicated and opened the Wehr Nature Center in June of 1974 on the same amphitheater stage he helped to start in 1936. Wehr's purpose since 1974 has been to create an appreciation and understanding of our environment so we may live more wisely with it. Even before our building opened, park naturalist Harold Rock and volunteer naturalists were leading nature walks through Whitnell Park. We have been sharing our knowledge and love for nature with generations ever since.
And so, become yourself, because the past is just a goodbye. Teach your children well. Their father's help did slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams. The one they picked, the one you know by. Don't you ever ask them why. If they told you, you would cry. So just look at them and sigh, and know they love you. And you of tender years can't know the fears that your elders grew by, and so please help them with your youth. They see the truth before they can die. Teach your parents well. Their children's hell will slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams. The one they picked, the one you know by. Don't you ever ask them why. If they told you, you would cry. So just look at them and sigh, and know they love you.
Yesterday a child came out to wander, caught a dragonfly inside a jar. Fearful when the sky was full of thunder, and tearful at the falling of a star. And the seasons, they go round We can't return, we can only look behind from where we came and go round and round and round in a circle here. Then the child moved 10 times round the seasons, skated over 10 clear frozen streams. Words like when you're older must appease him, and promises of someday make his dreams. And the seasons, they go round and round, and the painted ponies go up and down. We're captive on the carousel of time. We can't return, we can only look behind from where we...
Taking care of Wehr's 220 acres, building and miles of trails has always been a labor of love for our maintenance staff and the hardy volunteers who work beside them. Named for their favorite activity, chipping our trails, the Will and Chip Society does everything we ask, even removing snow and pumpkin mush. And they never miss the chance to share some camaraderie over coffee.
In a mine, where a million diamonds shine. We dig, 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 dig from early morn till night. We dig, 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 dig up everything inside. We dig up diamonds by the score, 1,000 rubies, sometimes more. But we don't know what we dig them for. We dig, 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 dig. Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 it's home from work we go. It's home from work we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. It's home from work we go.
The heart and soul of Wehr Nature Center are our natural areas. Our diversity of environments comes from a natural blessing and through the work of many staff and volunteers who have planted, transplanted, and weeded our little corner of the earth for over 50 years.
Row by row, gonna make this garden grow. All it takes is a rake and a hoe and a piece of fertile ground. And inch by inch, row by row, someone blessed these seeds I sow. Someone warmed them from below till the rains come tumbling down. Pulling weeds and picking stones, man is made of dreams and bones. Feel the need to grow my own, 'cause the time is close at hand. Grain for grain, sun and rain, find my way in nature's chain. Tune my body and my brain.
Phenology is the observation of changes in plant and animal life through the seasons. Wehr staff and volunteers have been recording bloom data and bird sightings weekly since 1971. And, oh, they like each other's company too.
And a time to every purpose under heaven. A time to be born, a time to die, a time to plant, a time to reap, a time to kill, a time to heal, a time to laugh, a time to weep, to everything turn, turn, turn. There is a season, turn, turn, turn.
Wehr's popularity grew quickly, and by the early 1980s it was clear that our building needed to expand to accommodate the demand for nature programming. In 1982, volunteers formed the Friends of Wehr as a nonprofit group whose mission was to support Wehr Nature Center financially and through advocacy. They raised funds through membership and events like Winter Weekend, the Wildlife Art Fair, and Cider Sunday. Thanks to their hard work and a donation from Marilyn Gardner, Wehr was remodeled and expanded in 1992. FOW has been Wehr's best friend for 33 years.
Even your darkest night, you just call up my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running, oh yeah babe, to see you again.
You've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed, you just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got trouble, and I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. If we stick together, see it through, 'cause you've got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Some other folks might be a little bit smarter than I am, big and stronger too, maybe, but none of them will ever love you the way I do. It's me and you, boy, and as the years go by.
Volunteers have always been the backbone of Wehr's special events. Our events blend nature education with lots of family fun. Maple Sugar Weekend began in 1975 and has been a sweet early spring tradition ever since. Halloween Haunts has grown from its development in 1987 to become a Halloween extravaganza. Merry Days was a crowd and volunteer favorite from 1992 to 2007, when shrinking budgets and small crowds had it make its final covered wagon ride.
Critters got a place in the choir.
Our animal ambassadors have been part of our staff since 1974. These critters help people of all ages connect to and understand the needs of all living things. A special group of volunteers care for these creatures every day and share a bond that lasts a lifetime.
The old cow just goes moo. Now the dogs and the cats are going to take up the middle where the honeybee hums, the crickets fiddle, the donkey brays and the pony neighs. The old coyote howls. All God's critters got a place in the choir. Some sing low, some sing higher, some sing out loud on the telephone wire. Others clap their hands or paws or anything they got now.
Listen to the top where the little birds sing on the melody with the high notes ringing.
The hoot owl hollers over everything. The jaybird disagrees. Singing in the nighttime, singing in the day. The little duck quacks, he's on his way, and the possum ain't got much to say. The porcupine talks to himself. All God's critters got a place in the choir.
For 40 years, Wehr Nature Center has been a treasure for the families of Milwaukee County to discover, thanks to the hard work, dedication, and passion of people like yourselves. Thank you for being part of our Wehr family.
I won't tell no lie. All of the people around us, they say, can they be that close? Just let me state